Welcome to Easy Cozy Learning channel. Verbs, action words, doing words. Words that tells us what the naming words noun do are called verbs. They are also called action words or doing words. A dog barks. A boy rises early. Pihu reads a story book. Jay plays on the slide. A dog barks. Pihu reads a story book. A boy rises early. Jay plays on the slide. The words barks, reads, rises, plays tells us what dog, Pihu, a boy and Jay do. So these words are doing words or action words or verbs. Read the given sentences and underline the verbs. First, my father cooks for me. Second, my brother plays with me. Third, two children are reading books. Fourth, Ria is watching television. Fifth, he is riding a bicycle. Sixth, she is eating food. Seventh, the cat drinks milk. Eighth, Mr. Sharma teaches us English. Cooks is a verb in the first sentence. The word plays is a verb in second sentence. Are reading is a verb in third sentence. Is watching is a verb in fourth sentence. Is writing is a verb in fifth sentence. Is eating is a verb in sixth sentence. Drinks is a verb in seventh sentence. Teaches is a verb in eighth sentence. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.